Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to protect documents in LibreOffice in 2026. If you want to secure your files, prevent unauthorized editing, or add password protection to your documents, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open LibreOffice Writer, Calc, or Impress, and load the document you want to protect. Make sure all your final edits are completed before applying security settings. Next, click on the File menu at the top left corner and select Save As. In the Save window, look for the option that says Save with Password and check the box. Now enter a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols. Then confirm the password again to avoid mistakes. This will ensure only authorized users can open the file. If you want to protect editing instead of opening, you can set the file as read-only. Go to File, then Properties, and enable the read-only recommendation option. Next, if you're working with spreadsheets, you can also protect specific sheets. Right-click on the Sheet tab, choose Protect Sheet, and set a password to restrict changes. Now save your document normally so all protection settings are applied correctly. Always remember your password, because losing it may prevent you from accessing the file. If needed, you can also export your document as a PDF and add password protection during export for extra security. Finally, test your file by reopening it to confirm that the password protection or restrictions are working properly, and that's it. You've successfully protected your LibreOffice documents and secured your files from unauthorized access or editing. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.